So seventh lord in the ninth house. So if the seventh lord is in the ninth house, the native will have union with many women, be well disposed of his own wife, one in the hand, one in the bush. सप्तमेश नौवे स्थान में अगर बैठे तो. So there are basically two school of thought. One is who says second marriage is given by the which house? Second house. The other school of thought is second marriage is given by the ninth house. Correct? Because seven से तीसरा है वो. So when there is a combination of seventh and ninth, specifically if seventh lord is getting into the ninth house, there is always a chances to getting a छोटी बहन as a second wife. मतलब वो उसको छोटी बहन सप्तम से तीसरी हो गई. But yes, when seventh lord is getting into the ninth house, the person would be able to make union with a lot of women. उसके भाग्य में स्त्रियां आ गई हैं. Father can be in abroad, right? Because विदेश का लॉर्ड पिता के स्थान पर जा रहा है. It is always seen because ninth house is a house of dharma, right? Marriage is a function of ninth house. It can be seen from the seventh house, but it is ideally a function of the ninth house because it is a dharma sanskar. So when seventh lord and a ninth lord has a malefic influence, there will be always problem in the marriage. बिकॉज आपका धर्म, शादी आपकी तब तक ही टिकेगी जब तक कि आप धर्म फॉलो कर रहे हो. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट डिवॉइडिंग फ्रॉम द धर्म, योर मैरिज इज गोइंग टू कोलैप्स. आज नहीं तो कल. बात समझ में आ रही है? Say suppose as a male you have a pati dharma. If you are following that pati dharma, पति का धर्म क्या हुआ? पत्नी की रक्षा करना, पत्नी को सुरक्षा देना, उसको अच्छा लाइफस्टाइल देना, उसका ख्याल रखना, उसके शारीरिक सुख का ख्याल रखना. If you are doing your dharma properly, then only your marriage will go smooth. If you are not doing any of these dharma, so you earn a lot of money but you are not able to satisfy your wife physically, your marriage is going to end. If you earn you don't earn any money, your marriage is going to come to an end, right? मतलब you are not willing to earn money. आप नहीं कमाते, नहीं घर में ही पड़े रहते, जाते ही नहीं कहीं पर पैसा कमाने. तो जो पति धर्म है, same with the spouse, पत्नी धर्म. So if seventh lord and the ninth lord has a relationship and it is a bad relationship, there is going to problem in the marriage. For sure it is going to create a lot of problem in the marriage. Now on the other part, seventh house is a house of business. When it is going into the ninth house, that means the person can have business in the foreign country, or maybe he can have business related with traveling to foreign. If there is a combination of other shubh grah, then he can have business related with the spirituality, धर्म से संबंधित, publication से संबंधित काम वो कर सकता है. Now ninth house is a house of judiciary. When seventh has a connection with the ninth and it is afflicted, the divorce will happen through judiciary. There can be different kind of divorce, right? जैसे सुनील is saying 4 साल से अलग रह रहे हैं. It is a kind of separation, but अभी इस पे ठप्पा नहीं लगा. Then there is mutual separation कि जाकर भैया तू अब तेरे मैं मेरे अपना करो, जाओ तलाक लो, खत्म करो. Then there can be debates and then court cases and then litigation, a lot of animally is coming and a lot of other stuff is coming. That stuff comes when the ninth house is afflicted and the seventh lord in the ninth house. That stuff will come क्योंकि judiciary picture में आ जाएगा. When seventh lord is a shubh grah and in the ninth house, there can be two possibilities. I am marrying to my guru. सप्तमेश नौवे स्थान में गया, so the person is getting married to the guru. If there are malefic influence on the saptam house, the person doesn't want to marry. सप्तम घर पे होना चाहिए इंप्रेशन नेगेटिव. वो व्यक्ति शादी नहीं करेगा, बोलेगा मैं तो अपने गुरु का काम करूंगा, संन्यास लूंगा, whatever जो भी करूंगा. Second, the fortune. When the seventh lord in the ninth house, remember one thing, and affliction नहीं होना चाहिए. सप्तम स्थान का लॉर्ड नौवें स्थान में जाएगा. The fortune will evolve after marriage. जैसे शादी होगी व्यक्ति का भाग्य खुल जाएगा. अगर यहाँ पर एफ्लिक्शन है, शादी होते ही वो व्यक्ति बर्बाद हो जाएगा. Have you seen people? शादी होते ही पिक्चर पड़ जाती है उनकी. मतलब सप्तम जब आया जीवन के अंदर दुर्भाग्य लेके आया, और सप्तम जब आया वो भाग्य लेके आया. ये चीजें हम यहाँ से देखते हैं. ठीक है.